First search Chitranjan Gupta GitHub on Google. Open the first site github.com Chitranjan. Now click on repositories. Click on PastePass. Now go to release section. Download the zip file for Chrome. Now go to downloads folder. Extract the zip file. Now open Chrome browser and navigate to Chrome extensions. Enable developer mode. Now click on Load Unpacked. Select the extracted extensions folder. Copy the content you want to paste. Now open PastePass pop-up. Enable allow click paste and allow clipboard and load from clipboard. Now wherever you want to paste in website, click on the input field. If you want to disable click paste, uncheck it. If you want to speed type, select the input and open the pop-up and click on speed type. If you want to change the speed, increase or decrease it. The extension inject the show and hide password button on the every website if it has password field.